Hello, so in this video we're going to look at 5 tips when starting out at the gym. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Number 1. No one cares what you look like. So believe it or not, one of the best things about going to the gym is no one cares what you look like. Be yourself, wear whatever makes you feel comfortable, take your time and enjoy. Just remember that people are not at the gym to watch other people, so just embrace it. Number 2. Stretch. Before you get started on any physical activities, please stretch. Stretching is an extremely important part of exercise as it can prevent aches, pains, muscle tears and other injuries. It also allows you to get your blood and oxygen flowing, which ultimately prepares your body for what's to come. Number 3. Don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to ask someone for help. If you want to try a new machine or piece of equipment and you're not sure how it works, please ask. Using equipment that you're unsure how to use properly can cause serious injury. There's no shame in asking how to use things, and at the end of the day, you want to stay safe. Number 4. Drink plenty of water. Exercising causes you to sweat, so you need to drink plenty of water to rehydrate. Take a bottle of water with you. Constantly take sips to keep your water levels up. This will also help prevent headaches, cramps and stitches. Number 5. Results. You're obviously joining the gym to see results and stay in shape, right? You need to remember that you won't see changes overnight. Don't become hopeless when you don't see change instantly. These things do take time. So persevere and stay committed to your goals. You will reap the rewards eventually and it will all be worth it in the end. So that's my 5 tips for when starting out at the gym. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment below. It would be greatly appreciated. Have a great day.